This is lesson 4.5, break apart to subtract. At the end of this lesson, you should be able to say, I can break apart a number to subtract. So the problem that we're looking at is 14 minus 5. So to break apart our number, we are going to do two steps, step 1 and step 2. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to make 14. So I'm going to put 14 counters down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So there's our 14. So the first thing we want to do is we want to get to 10. And in order to get to 10, I just need to take away my second 10 frame. So here is my second 10 frame right here, all the way down. So I want to get rid of this 10 frame. So in order to get rid of this 10 frame, I'm going to cross it off. So I don't want this 10 frame. So I'm going to take that one away because I want to get to 10. So I've taken away 1, 2, 3, 4. So in order to get to 10, I'm going to subtract 4. So now I have to look and I have to see how many more do I need to subtract. So I'm subtracting, my number that I'm subtracting is 5. So I have to think, I've already subtracted 4. I have to think how many more will I need to subtract to make 5. So I'm going to draw a picture. We're going to grab our counters and make that 10. So here we have 10 now. This is step 2. So we have to figure out how many more to subtract. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have 10 because we subtracted off the 4. So I need to figure out how many more we need to subtract off. Well, we need to subtract off 5. So I've already subtracted 1, 2, 3, 4. So I know I have to subtract. This one would be my 5th one to subtract off. So I only crossed off 1. I needed to subtract 1 more. So that would look like this. I started with 14. We took away 4. And we took away 1 more. So this was our first step, and this is our step 2. So now I know by looking at my picture, 14 minus 4 is 10. Remember, right over here, when we took away that 4, we were left with our 10. And so we took that 10 for our step 2. We took that 10 frame over. Now, in this step 2, we had 10, and we took away 1. And we're left with 9. So 14 minus 5 equals 9. Let's try another one. Here we have 16 minus 8 equals. So the first thing we're going to do is we are going to put 16 down. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So we've put 16 down. And the first thing we're going to take away 8 altogether, but we have to look over here because we want to subtract to get to 10. So if I look and I just want this 10 frame right here, I'm going to take this whole 10 frame away. So I'm going to subtract off this 10 frame. So if I take this 10 frame away, I'm going to be left with 10. So how many did I take away? I took away 6. So if I look in there, I have 6 in there. So now I have 10. So this 10 frame is going to go to step 2 because I only have 10 now. So I'm going to put 10 back up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now if I look at this, I'm subtracting off the number 8. So I have to think, if I had 8, I've already taken 6 away. I've already taken 6 away. Here are my 6. How many more do I need to take away? So if I have 6, 7, 8. So here is my 7 and my 8 that I'm going to take away. So I'm taking away my other number, I'm breaking it apart, is 2. So I'm going to subtract 2 more. So I started with 16. How many did we take away here? We took away 6 so we can make a 10. And how many more did we take away? 2. So I know that 16 minus 6 is 10. And I still have my 2 left over I'm having to take away. And 10 minus 2 equals 8. So 16 minus 8 equals 8. Let's try another one. This time, though, I'm going to just draw it instead of dragging my counters. I'm just going to draw it in here. So we have 13 minus 7. So step 1 is let's draw 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So if I fill up a 10 frame, I know it's 10. And I need 3 more. All right. So first step is we need to get to 10. So to get to 10, I'm going to take away my second 10 frame. So I'm going to take away this whole 10 frame. So how many did I take away? I have to subtract 3 to get to 10. So that would go here. I start with 13 and I subtract 3 and I'm going to get to 10. So that gives me my 10. But we're not done because we need to subtract 7. So I'm going to put my 10 frame right here. I have 10 now. 1. I'm going to fill it up because I know that if I fill up a 10 frame, it's 10. And I need to continue subtracting until I get to 7. So I subtracted 3, and I have to figure out how many more. So 4, 5, 6, 7. So I'm going to be subtracting off all of these, which is how many? 4. Good job. So I still have to subtract 4 more. So 13 minus 3 was 10, and 10 minus 4 is 6. So 13 minus 7 equals 6. So if I look at the numbers that I broke apart this right here. Okay? So if I look here, this is the number I'm subtracting that I broke apart. So if I have 7, I broke it apart between 3, because 3 makes a 10 with 13 really easily when you subtract, and 4. Those are my two parts. Because when I look up here, I want to get 13 to 10. So I want to have something with 3. So one of the numbers has to be 3, and then the other number would be 4. Let's try another one. Here we go. 12 minus 6. So we're going to put 12 up. 1. Once again, when I fill up a whole 10 frame, it's 10. And now we need 12. 10, 11, 12. So 10 and 2 more. So what do I do first? I need to get to 10. So to get to 10, I'm going to take my second 10 frame away. How many are in the second 10 frame? 2. Good job. So now we're at 10. So my 10 goes right over to here for my step 2. So now I have 10. And we have to figure out how many more we need to subtract. So remember, so far we started with 12 and we've subtracted 2. We've subtracted 2 from 12 because 12 minus 2 is 10. We made it 10. So the number that we're breaking apart is 6. We are breaking apart 6 into 2 and something else. So let's see. 2, let's count it. 3, 4, 5, 6. So those are the 6. These 2 here, and then 4, 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's my 6 altogether. So the other number is that I'm taking away is 4. So I'm going to subtract 12 minus the 2 here, minus the 4 right here. So we said that 12 minus 2 made it 10, minus we still have our 4, and 10 minus 4 equals 6. So 12 minus 6 equals 6. This time we have to figure out a subtraction sentence to go with this. So we need to know how many did we start with in step 1. We started with a whole 10 frame and 4 more. So we started with 14. Minus, and I'm not, remember, we made a 10 right here, but we're actually subtracting everything together. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we're taking away 6 altogether. Equals, let's see, we have all but 2, that would be 8. If I want to show my 2 steps,